Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Ninja Tech. In this video we will see how can we install and configure the Samba server. So Samba server is used for file sharing purpose. So the first step is to install Samba server packages. So yum install Samba and Samba client. Now press enter. Now press yes or Y and then press enter. Now the next step is to start and check the Samba service. So for this I will let systemctl start SMB. Now press enter. Now we will check and verify the service. So for that purpose we will write systemctl status SMB. Now press enter. So yes, it is showing that the server is active and running. So now the next step number 3 is to start and check the Samba NMB service. So for this I will write NMB instead of SMB. So instead of status, first we need to write start. Now we will write systemctl status NMB. So now it is also running. So the next step is to start the firewall service. So for this write systemctl start firewall. Now press enter. So now next step is to create user. For this I will write add user ninja 1. Now I will create the group and then add this user to this group. Now press enter. User mode, then enter the name of the user. Now enter the name of the group. Now press enter. Now the next step is to add all users to this Samba Server Database. So now enter the name of the user. Now press enter. Now you need to add the password. So make sure must contain at least 8 letters or digits. So password is added. Now the next step is to create the folder and set their permission. Now press enter. We are setting these permissions so Samba server first user is only allowed to read from the folder 1. Now press enter. Now the next step is to add the folder to group of users. Now we are configuring the file of Samba according to the given condition. So Samba server first user account is only allowed to read data from first folder. So now write gedit now write net BIOS is equal to CentOS Now write folder 1. Now write comment is equal to file server share now write path is equal to here we are setting the permissions for user 1. So the user 1 is ninja 1, and that's why we are writing ninja 1 and valid user in the folder 1. Now according to the given condition, only user 1 is allowed to read from the folder 1, so that's why we will write read list is equal to ninja 1, because ninja 1 is the user 1. So it is completed. Now save the file and then close the file. Now write system ctl now press enter. Now write nmb and press enter. So that's how you can install and configure the Samba server. If you need more help, then you can contact me on given WhatsApp number or on the given email. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care.